Alright guys, today it is 1 degree out and we're going to try to catch a trout. If we do succeed, this will officially be the coldest temperature I've ever caught a fish in. It's actually so cold that a lot of the stream is actually steaming from being warmer than the outside temperature. So stay tuned, we're going to try to catch a fish. Let's get at it. There he is. GoPro still running? Yes. All right, we got a big one on. 2-pound line. Okay, there were a lot more fish in there. I thought. You see him running. This guy's going. Okay, don't. No, he's in the log. Come out. I gotta be really careful. My net's the whole way over there. Gotta get to the net. I want him in the net. Sorry, gloves. There we go. Got a beautiful rainbow trout. We're just gonna show you quick. Beautiful looking rainbow trout on that orange egg. We're gonna get him out and then release him safely. There's our fish. Very cold. So there we go, guys. That is my coldest fish I've ever caught. 1 degree. Beautiful rainbow trout. Swam off beautifully. Stay tuned for another. Let's get at it. Bald eagle coming over me. He's squealing. He wants my fish, I guess. He's gonna land in one of these trees, I think. Yep, right there. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's his buddy. There he goes. America.